Hi everyone. Today I'm going to make a spicy chicken dish with a vegetable. I'm going to use it's a hot coarse red pepper powder from Korea. I'm going to use 1 pound of chicken. It's a breast meat. It's about 1 pound. I'm going to cut bite size. For this, I need a quarter teaspoon grated 2 tablespoon yogurt, 2 tablespoon soya sauce. Sauce which I showed you earlier. All this is going to go inside. I forgot to mention about the onion. I have about 4 ounces of onion. I've already cut the sweet potato and the cabbage. So the marination. Now I'm going to show you the mixture of the seasoning. The seasoning of the sauce, I have half a teaspoon coarse pepper, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1/3 cup Korean red pepper, crushed Korean red pepper, 2 tablespoons sugar, 12 garlic cloves, and about 1 teaspoon of ginger, half teaspoon of coarse pepper. I'm going to pound ginger and the garlic in the bowl. All these ingredients for the seasoning are put in a bowl and mix well and put aside. Now I switch on the stove to a very low heat. I'm going to put in the ingredients. First I'm going to put sweet potato because put in the onion. This is one whole, and the next I'm going to put cut chili, red chili. You can actually put green chili. And now the cabbage. I'm using a lot of cabbage. I think I'm going to reduce the cabbage. So instead of 1 pound, I'm just going to use about half a pound. And now I'm going to put in the marinated chicken. So remember, reduce the amount of cabbage. You can put carrot. And now the mixture is going on top. So let this another half a cup of water. This is very important. Please don't forget. This is for the last portion. The cooking process will be better. Okay, it's about 4 minutes. I'm now going to stir it. I'm going to close and come back 3 minutes later. Okay, 3 minutes. Let's see. I think this the base looks good. You may eat this with plain rice. You can just eat it by itself too. The very important about this recipe is the quantity of the seasoning and marination is very important. So just follow them. You may want to like substitute the sugar for corn syrup. Instead of yogurt, you may use milk or sour cream. I think in another 3 minutes will be done. So I'll be back. It's been 3 minutes. Try my recipe. Let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.